Out. Ito pa. Ito para kay Gordon lang rin. May I ask the senators if it is true that the Hillmarks, Hilmarks, may S, is it true that Hillmark is the contractor of the new Senate building being constructed? Is this the same Hillmark contractor that built the Iloilo Convention Center and the Makati City Hall building, two that the Senate also investigated during the last administration? Gusto ko rin malaman na sa iyo, Mr. Gordon, yung dalawang building, paki-report na rin sa tao.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.